So, we're on the approach to a roundabout which has recently been changed, so the left lane becomes a left turning lane only. The car behind obviously knows this because it's already taken up a position in lane 2. Or has it changed its mind and is it going to go left onto the motorway now? What do you think? Have a look over the top of his car as he demonstrates a classy hand gesticulation. His next trick is pretty classy also. He reaches across from inside his car and tries to find something to throw at me. All he could find was a crisp packet. And all of that just to turn left. Personally, I blame the parents.